Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install EmuGUI on Linux here. This is Arch Linux, but you can also apply this tutorial to pretty much every Linux distribution. I also have linked the installation tutorial for Windows in the description, just in case you accidentally click this video as a Windows user. But if you're using Linux, this is the right video for you, because the Windows and Linux procedures differ a bit from each other. Go to one of the links in the description for EmuGUI, hit the EmuGUI download first, just the commands. Coburg, in my case I go to coburg.org/lucien-rowan/EmuGUI. I have to do it that way because copy paste between the VM and my host system doesn't work. You shouldn't run it on a virtual machine. I'm just showing it because my main system runs Windows. Copy this and open your terminal, or pick the command appropriate for your Linux distribution. In my case, I'm using Arch, so I'm doing it that way. You should update your system first. If you're using Debian, it's sudo apt-get or sudo apt, and so on and so on. Now, type in the appropriate command for your Linux distribution to install QEMU. And here I recommend you to install QEMU full. Or you must install QEMU full in this case, or else it doesn't work. Press yes. In my case it's a German system, so if there are differences between your and my procedures because of language, sorry, but the procedures are the same. Maybe I show this for other distributions as well. By the way, you require it on Debian or Ubuntu. On Ubuntu you require at least Ubuntu 20.04 LTS or Linux Mint 20. Older versions definitely don't work. And also you can, when you liked it, like this video and subscribe to this channel to not miss any of my videos if you want to. And now you can close out of the terminal. For releases, click on the latest release on GitHub, and just click on releases. You might, on Coburg, I recommend you to check if the version is stable, so green. If not, scroll down until you see it. I also make pre-release versions like this one on this repository. So go ahead and download both the zip file and the SHA-256 file for Linux here, or for your big system. Click on click on Save Page As, and name it as follows: EmuGUI 051 Linux md64.zip.SHA-256, and click Save. And open with the folder. Now you can close out of your web browser because you won't need it anymore. Right click and open a terminal. Then type SHA-256 XAMPP and then EmuGUI. Then copy the SHA-256. Open the SHA-256 file, and that might depend on the editor. Here in this case, I think it's Bio, or I think Control F, and if the SHA-256 hash is marked entirely, then the zip file is safe to use, safe to extract, and the executable is safe to use. If that's not the case, the repository might be hacked and you have to try again with the other mirror. Now, here you can right click, and that also depends. In my case, it's extract and extract archive to, and I recommend to park it on the documents or the desktop, in my case desktop, and make a folder. In my case, I just call it EmuGUI. Now, when this opens, congratulations, open the folder. And then you can try properties, right click properties, permissions, and look for something that says, look for a checkbox that should allow the program to be executed. Check it and click OK. The program, then click Run when asked, and if it doesn't run, okay, in case of Arch Linux it apparently runs. On some distributions like Linux Mint it doesn't. So just in case it doesn't run, right click, open the terminal and type in /main, and then it should run. Same if you want to do some debugging, then you have to run it this way. But anyway, if you were here, you can go to settings, and on QEMU, you can first try to click on BIOS computer, then just type it in. You, for example, use a bin and then just this, or just the name of the executable. Write it without path. Set up it. Here you can tell if you want to have a stable experience, what I totally recommend. If you want to get it from GitHub or Codeberg, or if you want to be notified at all about updates. This EmuGUI, okay, sorry about this. But let's get back to main. Okay, click on new virtual machine, and so on and so on. So, with delete select the VM, you select it, so on and so on. So, I will also link some videos where you can already see what EmuGUI can do. I've already made 2 videos at the time of this recording. I can link you to something. This program is also constantly updated, so you can check it out. But for now, that's it. And we see in another video. Goodbye.